What is Internet of Things, IoT? Connecting common items to the Internet so they may send and receive data is known as the Internet of Things, IoT. These devices could be anything from your refrigerator to your car or even your home's heater. When all of these objects are interconnected, they may communicate with humans and with one another, simplifying our lives. For instance, a smart fridge can alert you when you're running low on groceries, and a smart thermostat can automatically change your home's temperature based on the weather forecast. With IoT, your devices communicate, working in synergy to simplify tasks. Imagine your alarm clock notifying your coffee maker to start brewing. IoT isn't just for homes. It's transforming industries, optimizing operations, reducing costs. Factories can monitor equipment remotely and predict maintenance. Your city can be smarter too. IoT can improve traffic flow, manage waste, and save energy. In a nutshell, it's about giving objects a method to communicate online in order to make them smarter. Embrace the future with IoT. It's not just technology, it's a lifestyle.